Oh, yeah.
To wing it. To do something without preparation or planning, relying on improvisation or instinct. I didn't study, I didn't plan, didn't prep at all. I just winged it. Wing it and win. Meaning, it means to handle a situation without preparation, planning, or practice, and trust your instincts to get through it. Examples: he had to give a speech on the spot, so he just winged it. Wing it and hope for the best. She chose a random recipe and decided to wing it. They didn't rehearse the play, they just winged it. Wing it, don't panic. Conversation example.
Are you ready for the presentation?
Not really. I didn't have time to prepare.
So what will you do?
I'll just wing it. Wing it and hope it works.
Origin. The phrase comes from aviation, where pilots sometimes wing it when flying in difficult conditions without following a strict flight plan. They rely on their experience and judgment to navigate safely. Modern use. We use it today when we face situations unprepared, like answering surprise questions, speaking impromptu, or trying something new without knowing every detail. Relative expressions similar. On the fly, improvised, off the cuff, go with the flow. The opposite, not the same. Plan ahead, be prepared, think it through, have a strategy. When to use it. When you're not prepared, when you need to act fast, when there's no time to plan, when you trust your instincts, when trying something new or unfamiliar. An extra example: she forgot her notes before the meeting, but she decided to wing it. Wing it with confidence. He entered the cooking contest without a recipe and winged it. Wing it, cook it, win it. No prep, I'll wing it. It worked. Key takeaway: it might be risky, but sometimes to wing it is to trust yourself and go. And remember, think quick, stay calm, trust yourself, and wing it. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.